Okay, let's see if this will work. I'm going to use brush to apply the thinner and wipe it off with this. So, start over here. Ooh, it's tricky. Kind of works. Probably needs more soaking time. And then if I let it soak in, that it actually takes it off pretty easily. So use this brush and kind of swirl around and work it down into the oil paint here. Get around that. Get up on that too. Kind of keep working it until I can almost feel it getting a little bit tacky. It's actually coming off pretty well. Just gotta let it soak in there. So this is how I'm going to spend my evening. I don't know how much of it is going to come off. Hopefully all of it. Oh, wow. Well, I got most of the paint off. I got a bunch of little spots and corners that I don't think I'll be able to fix. But it's not that I'm worried about. It's about these deep scratches. These really deep scratches. And I have no idea if they'll show through the primer or not. I mean, I can see them, but I can't feel them with my fingertips, so I have no idea what's going to happen with those. Just going to have to hope for the best, so I'm just going to kind of go over it with this piece here. I don't know what grade it is, but it's definitely not smooth. It's got a little bit of teeth to it. See if I can just smooth it out and hope for the freaking best. So after this, I'm painting it. Okay guys, a couple of things came in the mail today. Number one being some paint that I got for just one single part that I'll probably not end up even using. I'll have a closer look at it. And it's for this piece here, number 3. What is number 3 even called? Gravity amplifier core. Okay. And it wants me to, it's not, no, it's number 9, unit number 9, the gravity amplifier core, and it wants me to paint it manganese brown metallic. Yeah, right there. So I don't know if you've ever seen that color, but that's probably the ugliest freaking brown color I've ever seen. There's lots of 80s era cars that are painted that color. I can't find any modeling paint that's even that color. So I went with the next best thing, which is just copper. When in doubt, just go copper. I mean, not enough things are painted copper, in my opinion. I think it's a great looking color. So we dig it out. Piece. The one I have here. Where are you? Okay, so as you can see, it's got a pit in it and a couple of weird spots that just don't look right, and I don't know what to do about that. So I went online. I looked to where I could order, replacement parts, and I found a site that does it. I forget what it's called, but I had to fill out an application, and they wanted a receipt on where I got it, and I couldn't find where I bought it. I thought it was on Amazon or eBay. Can't find it anywhere in my purchase histories. So I just typed in the box. I got it at a yard sale, but they did want the picture of the barcode. It's not even on that one. There it is. Okay, so I wanted a picture of that, a close-up picture of that. So I went ahead and did that and sent it to them. And I thought they would never send me the parts I wanted, but guess what? It arrived today with the paint. I actually got them. They actually sent me the parts. Isn't that wonderful? I didn't think they'd actually mail me these parts because I didn't have a receipt or anything, and I just said I got it at a yard sale, which is not true, but I couldn't find it. But if you look at this one, it's kind of worse off. It's kind of worse off. Look at that. I thought for sure when they went to go and cut these out of the spoiler that they would pick a better one or something. What the hell? So hey, and now I have 2 of them, so I can put them together. Hey, yeah, there we go. Oh. Anyway, I also ordered another one reactor so that I can steal that pole and put it on. And I still don't know if it'll be long enough. So I might add this on top. So yeah, another length of pole and this one. So it'll be 3 pieces, I think. So yeah. This one, I was actually worried that this wouldn't work. But after carefully sanding it down, I'm about close to where the diameter is. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop sanding it and just glue it on the top one here when I go on top, and then just sand it even with each other. Just kind of blend them and hope for the best. So yeah, wow, they actually sent me these parts. That's wonderful. That's really good, nice of them. I wish I could send me a whole nother kit. Oh no, I should have ordered another floor. Ooh, I wonder if I could do that. Just order a whole new floor. Of course, I got these stuck to it. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Huh. Well, yeah, I'll just work with what I got. Work with what I got, I guess. Alright, so about these, I don't know. I'm still up in the air about it. Don't know. Okay, let's get to work on this thing. Use this to help straighten it out. Ouch. Well, that's what's messed up on me. Never mind. Let's use a Scotch tape. Damn. That should help hold it in alignment and hold it straight, hopefully. Exacto knife, where are you? Oh, still sticky. Okay, let that fully dry out. Let's see here. Oh. Almost had an accident there. Actually, I think it did spill a little bit right there. Well, I got this mat, so I can make messes. How long is it dry? Doesn't say. It doesn't say. Okay, so glue on straight and no awkwardness. Alright, what are these things called? Gravity amplifiers? I think they're gravity amplifiers. Butterfingers today. There goes a fingerprint. I am really undecided on whether or not to use these. I mean, there's not very good looking. They're pretty messy. So I think what I'll do is I'll paint them up and see what they look like, just out of curiosity. But I think ultimately I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to glue this one together and call it good. Oh, I hope this worked. This is as good as I can get it. It's as good as I can get it. Well, like the sanding will do it. Fix it up. It's a little bit taller. Might have to add on the other piece though. We will see.